What's going on, skiers and riders? It's Michaela with your Saturday, February 16th Wachusett Mountain Snow Report update. It looks like it's going to be a great day with clear sunny skies. Temps will be ranging from a high of 34 to a low of 14 degrees later in the evening. There could be an extra chill of northwest winds around 12 miles per hour, so make sure you grab your face mask before heading out the door. Today we have 25 perfectly groomed trails and 7 of our high-speed quads and carpet lifts open for business. Base steps are ranging from 23 to 53 inches, and a few fun rollers have been added to Franny's Folly. Lower Smith Walton will be reserved for ski team practice this morning, but will be open to all later this afternoon. Also, if you're feeling playful, come check out our snow castle slide sculpted at the base of Ollie's area. Wachusett Mountain is unbeatable, offering so much variety for the entire family to enjoy. And tomorrow is Sunday Fun Day Yoga with Kate's Powerhouse. Come for a core strengthening yoga class followed by brunch cocktails in the Copper Top Lounge. A perfect way to spend a relaxing Sunday. And that's all for today, guys. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll ski you on the slopes.